Millionaires don't buy vehicles to move faster. They buy them to move better, to travel without friction, without interruption, and without compromise. And this motorhome exists precisely for that kind of life. From the moment it begins to roll, it feels different, not louder, not more aggressive, but calmer. Beneath its sculpted body lies an advanced suspension system engineered to isolate the living space from the road entirely. Each axle responds independently, smoothing imperfections before they're ever felt inside. The result is a ride so stable that motion fades into the background, allowing the interior to remain serene whether the motorhome is cruising city streets or crossing long, open highways from the outside. The design speaks quietly, but with authority. The proportions are balanced, modern, and deliberate. Dark-tinted windows cut cleanly through the body, while subtle lighting accents trace the form without demanding attention. This isn't a motorhome designed to shout wealth. It's designed to signal taste. Every surface feels intentional, every line restrained. It looks composed at rest and effortless in motion, like a tailored suit made from metal and glass. Step inside, and the mood shifts immediately. The lounge opens up as the heart of the motorhome, designed around comfort, conversation, and clarity. The color palette is light gray and black, softened by warm golden lighting that flows gently through the space. Rounded sofas curve naturally around the center, upholstered in soft light gray fabric with black bases grounding them visually. Plush cushions invite you to settle in, while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. At the center, a single round table anchors the room. Nothing more, nothing less. Its matte black surface reflects a soft golden glow from beneath, and a sunflower vase adds a quiet, human touch. Everything feels balanced, compact, and composed. The ceiling above the lounge is smooth and sculpted, free of windows or distractions. Golden LED lines follow its geometry, creating depth without drama. Storage disappears into the walls, flush and seamless, leaving no wasted space and no visual noise, sealing the lounge as a private living space. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom reveals itself as a calm retreat designed for real rest. The bed is low profile with rounded edges, proportioned properly for everyday comfort. Light gray bedding, layered with textured blankets and black accent cushions, creates a sense of softness without excess. Underbed lighting casts a subtle golden glow, making the bed feel almost weightless at night. On either side, rounded floating bedside tables provide just enough surface space, keeping the floor clear and the room visually open. The walls are gently padded, wrapped in light gray panels that absorb sound and enhance the sense of quiet. Storage surrounds the sleeping area in a continuous flow, curved and integrated so that nothing feels added on. Overhead, the ceiling mirrors the softness below, smooth, gently curved, with golden lighting tracing its lines. This is not a bedroom designed to impress guests. It's designed to let you switch off completely. Adjacent to the bedroom, the dressing area continues the same language of compact luxury. Full-height wardrobes line the wall, finished in satin light gray-smoked black glass panels. Inside, clothing hangs neatly, softly illuminated by warm lighting that makes the space feel personal rather than utilitarian. A rounded vanity surface sits beneath a backlit mirror, offering a quiet place to prepare for the day. A small upholstered stool completes the setup, tucked in neatly when not in use. Shelves hold perfumes, watches, and essentials. Everything visible, everything controlled. The kitchen follows naturally, designed not as a showpiece, but as a functional, elegant galley. Light gray cabinetry curves gently along the wall, handleless and uninterrupted. A matte black countertop anchors the space, housing a compact sink and a two-burner stove seamlessly integrated into the surface. Under-cabinet golden lighting ensures clarity without harshness. Appliances are built-in and discreet, while a small round dining table extends from the layout, paired with two cushioned stools. It's a space meant for quiet breakfasts, evening coffee, or simple meals prepared without effort. Beyond the kitchen, the motorhome reveals one of its most unexpected features, a private spa-style bathroom. Fully enclosed for privacy, it feels intimate and refined rather than cramped. Light gray walls contrast with black fixtures, creating a clean, modern atmosphere. A compact soaking tub with rounded edges invites you to slow down, while a floating vanity and backlit mirror keep the space functional and flattering. Golden lighting wraps the room in warmth, transforming it from a utility into a place of restoration. For moments that require focus, the motorhome includes a dedicated office nook integrated seamlessly into the layout. A rounded floating desk emerges from the wall, finished in matte black against light gray panels. The chair is compact yet supportive, upholstered in black leather to maintain continuity with the rest of the interior. Storage hides behind clean panels, and warm task lighting ensures productivity without disrupting the calm. This is a workspace designed for people who don't stop moving just because they're on the road. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. Designed with realism and restraint, it feels more like a luxury automobile than a traditional motorhome. The dashboard is wide and clean, finished in light gray materials with matte black controls. The steering wheel sits comfortably in hand, wrapped in leather and accented subtly with metal. Two captain-style seats offer long-distance comfort, while golden ambient lighting traces the dashboard and doors, keeping the space calm during night drives. The panoramic windshield opens the road ahead without overwhelming the driver, reinforcing a sense of control rather than speed. And then comes the truth. This motorhome isn't built for everyone. It isn't meant to be practical in the ordinary sense. It exists for those who measure value differently. Millionaires and billionaires who understand that comfort, privacy, and time are the ultimate luxuries. Pricing reflects that reality. This is not a purchase. It's an entry into a lifestyle where movement no longer feels like effort. So the question is simple. If this motorhome were waiting for you today, where would you go first? The coast? The mountains? Or somewhere unexpected, where a quiet arrival speaks louder than any announcement? If this journey resonated with you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because this is where luxury on wheels truly comes to life.